Pro tip. Let's skip that tip. Okay, so I'm gonna do a quick little routine. So I'm gonna start with Total Cleanser. This is also a makeup remover. So I usually go with the Total Cleanser when I just am on the go or if I'm going to bed. Next would be your toner. I like to use Fat Water Hydrating Milky Toner Essence. And look at that. It hydrates, it boosts your moisture barrier, targets pores wear. Thank you very much. We all know that SPF is very important. It does not matter your skin tone, skin texture, where you're from. As an island girl, a black